Hello everyone, we're here in Sydney to buy some
tired.
food. Yeah.
And my hair's everywhere. Oh, do you have a hair dryer? No.
We come here to buy some food from Samoan shop here in Sydney. Now, come here to buy something. There's more taro here. Coconut. Banana. And lengi. And beef soup. Look, corned beef.
Bruh, they've got taxis here. We came to Macquarie Fields fob shop because the one in Campbelltown was just too expensive. My dad really wanted mulipipi and it was like $11 or something for something so small like that. And oh my god, no way, no way, oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh my god, this is like Samoa Central. Oh, this fan, I can just stand here. What's the degrees today, Mom? It's like 40 here in Sydney. I'm like sweating like a freaking pig, yo. They've got like all of the goodies that Samoa would have. I honestly feel like I'm in like Samoa, to be honest. They've got curls. I can't believe they have cookie time. What the hell? Aussie, they have cookie time here.
Yeah. Now guys, we're here at Sydney
Macquarie
shop.
Fields.
Yeah. Oh, Samoan, look. Show.
Oh, that's the design of ours.
Yeah. Oh, that's ours.
If we ever had a daughter, we could buy it for her. She'd never know. It wasn't part of our, you know, plan.
Look, guys. Oh, Samoan shirts.
Do you feel like you're in Samoa right now? Do you feel like you want to buy me this? Aussie? They've got taro chips. Oh my god, okay, finished. This is freaking New Zealand ice cream. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright. Hokey pokey. Look at that fob food. Look at this bisupo, guys. You want some bisupo? Siaosi's mad at me because I want this, but he told me to leave it. Why can't I have it, Yanni? I care about Rooney. You know how I told you guys that Siaosi used to work in the market? He's telling me that he's identifying the design of the clothing here from a friend that used to friend that used to work with him in the market. Can you help me, Siaosi?
What?
Hello?
That's my...
Oh, should I take this car to do my bangi popo? Do you want some savai popo, pure Samoa?
Hello guys, we're at the salmon shop here. All things are here. We got some t-shirt and some bread, some lava. Look how fat food. Chow mein, súp dui.
Tu veux qu'il y ait pour un comme cela pour. Oh. What owner is this shop? Is he Greek? Okay, he's Lebanese and he owns this place, okay? They are making money off us, guys. Why doesn't the Samoan start this in Canberra? And Siaosi's starving. Are you starving, Aussie? Are you starving, Aussie? What is starving? Oh yeah. Look, they've got the maui hooks and the seas, and they've got food and what? This is a raro. Have you got raro? I'm like a fat kid in a candy store. What did you get us, honey?
Vodka.
Yeah?
Oh, chicken, lamb, chop suey, chow mein, taro, and everything.
Siaosi tried to pop a pimple on his nose, and now he looks like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Brett, I don't care what Aussie says. I came far from Sydney. My car, in the petrol that I put in my car, I'm taking this. I'm taking this, Aussie. I will leave it. I don't need it. It's a new year, near me. Oh my gosh, they even have it at the front counter. Really? 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 Oh, they got tusi paia. Oh look, I see Tongan something there, Tongan hat. Oh, there is a bit of Tonga in here. Hey Tonga. Hey Tonga, Tonga. $400 later, mate. No, it's so soggy. What's that, Siaosi? Why is it like that? So we're here at Cotter Dam. Picked up my cousins with my mom, my sister and her partner, and Aussie and I, and we're coming for a swim. We're gonna have a sausage sizzle as well, which Chrissy's currently cooking. But it is so beautiful here. You guys would have seen we spent last New Year's here. Oh, I don't think I actually vlogged it. I was right, they were fobs. Aussie, are you very hot? No? Hello, puppy! Hi, puppito! Yeah, it is so hot. Come on, Filippo. Are you serious? I'm hungry. You only brought one loaf of bread?
Yeah, well, hello, I didn't think...
You didn't think people were gonna eat? Wanna play volley? Stop! Dumb? You dumb bum? We just got out of the Cotter Dam. Oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. Look at that, girl.
Nasty.
Excuse me?
Sorry, no photos. So how does this work? Yes, hello. Wow, this is actually so weird. So that's my cousin. He's kind of cute, yeah. Yeah, he's a little child. And what? There's a little baby, like I said before. Isn't he just adorable? Look at that. Look at that nose and the cheek and the double chin. Also got a water bottle, courtesy of me, because you know I'm a nice guy. So basically, you know, today it's been an average day. Sunday, you know, chilling out, you know, because I'm part of the church choir, you know, pretty legit. And damn, this is actually so cool. Like, never seen one of these like before. And everything is so beautiful. Look at this park. It's just absolutely the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Well, not entire life. Look, they're just getting recorded down there. Go on, get changed, girls. We're gonna have a party tonight. So, I have a few questions. If you've just come out from a swim, would you change in your car but have no privacy at all? Or would you change in a bathroom where you do have privacy, but it's like super long to get there? So, A, car no privacy, or B, super far bathroom change area. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. It's been fun. How long does it take for them to change? Oh my god. Oh, that is just appalling. And I'm on baby duty. I don't know how it takes for them. Hurry up! Oh my gosh! They take forever. It's been about 10 minutes since, you know, I've been here.
Are we eating now? Yeah, we're eating, alright. I'm hungry. Eddie!
He's so...
It's not spicy! He was so good to me yesterday.
He's like, shut up.
What have you been saying? You're wasting my memory.
The only thing you're gonna be wasting is your life if you don't shut up. Oh, sorry.
You're not funny, you know. Sometimes you just really say things that you don't think about. Hurt people's feelings.
Did you do your eyebrows?
No,
Because they look like a samurai sword. The ting goes scrap.
You and your sister. Yeah, we do though.
Skitty skip pop pop.
And a pop 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 boom. Do 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 boom.
Guys, my little cousin, he's actually my little nephew. My little nephew Gideon's about to go get us drinks. If he doesn't come back, I want you guys to comment down. Gideon's a fat loser. Gideon came back with the drinks.
Give some to the boys. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Y'all niggas already had drinks.
That's why we have you.
Okay guys, so Gideon finally got us some drinks. And he's over there doing the blood symbol. Do it again.
No, it hurts my fingers.
Oh, it does take ages.
Christmas.
Sorry, drive by. Well, you know what they say. These trees, man.
Someone do my photo shoot.
See this grass, man.
Oh,
See these trees,
put my
man.
strap
See
back
this
up.
water.
I look like Pippi. How does my hair look, SB Squad?
What's SB Squad?
That's my squad.
What does SB stand for?
Figure it out, Gideon. It's not that hard. Come on, get there, get there, get there. Siaosi and what else could it be? You're such a liar, you egg.
What? Wait, who's that? Siaosi and ouch.
I'm not that fat.
SV Squad, Siaosi and
Victoria.
SV or SB?
I said SV.
Oh, V.
So that bottom lip though.
Bigger than my future.
Your future's not that big.
Yeah, but no, it was just bottom lip.
Can you come over here? Let's do it with the flash. With the flash here. Do it, and you come with me. I